Hi, Steve Kirk here with Cryptic Woodworks. Welcome back. This is another new product that I make here at the Cryptic shop. It is a tea box with a hidden spring open drawer. It's a very unique box, not the type of thing you're going to see very often. As you'll notice, it has this design of a box on box. You can see it's sitting on top of a little bit of a pedestal. This box features the linkage hinge that I've used on other products. I've had another line of tea boxes that also had the same hinge that's on them. And then inside, we have a nice felted back, as well as dividers for our tea bags, and these are removable if you want to take them out and use the box for something else. And they're designed to fit the standard foil pack tea bags. Now what's interesting, as I said, this has a hidden drawer in it. So along the front of the box, there's a little catch where if I pull it, pops out a nice little spring-loaded drawer that again has a nicely felted bottom to it. Great for storing, some of maybe your fine silver or other implements that might go with your tea collection, or anything else you'd want to put in there. And then just giving that a little push closes it and locks it again. It's kind of hard to tell that there's even much of a drawer that's down there. So a great little hiding place for any of your special values, and just overall very unique box. This is made all from walnut. So all the sides came out of reclaimed walnut, came out of bead board that was on a house from I think the early 1900s. The hinges are a bit of maple, held on with some brass screws. And the spring open design is one of my own, so I do create all the parts that do this and make them all myself here. And it uses a nice slip feathers to provide some strength to the case, so that should never come apart. All right, so that's one of the new products. You can find these through my website, and I also sell through my Etsy site. And I'll put the link in the description, so if you want to go over there and take a look at those, you can. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.